Hello, future millionaires. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that can help you achieve your financial dreams. How to pick the best investment strategy to become a millionaire by the age of 30. Sound like a goal you'd like to achieve? Let's dive into the world of smart investing and financial planning. 1. Set clear financial goals. To become a millionaire by 30, you need to set clear and achievable financial goals. Determine how much money you want to have and when you want to achieve it. 2. Understand risk and reward. Understand that all investments come with risks. The key is to strike a balance between risk and reward, considering your risk tolerance and investment horizon. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio is crucial for managing risk and maximizing returns. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. 4. Invest early and consistently. Start investing early and consistently. The power of compounding can work wonders in growing your wealth over time. 5. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks to reduce your tax burden and boost your savings. 6. Stay informed and educated. Stay informed and educated about investing. Read financial books, follow reputable financial experts, and attend seminars to enhance your knowledge. 7. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about your investment decisions, seek advice from a professional financial advisor who can guide you based on your unique situation. 8. Stay disciplined and patient. Becoming a millionaire by 30 requires discipline and patience. Stick to your investment plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay focused on your long-term goals. And that wraps up our guide on how to pick the best investment strategy to become a millionaire by the age of 30. It's an ambitious goal, but with proper planning, commitment, and smart investing, you can achieve financial success. Remember, it's never too early to start building your wealth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others aspiring to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing on your path to becoming a millionaire by 30.